back to Project Agile Squad. Real learning, the safe place to talk about Agile. So, how are you doing today? You know what? I almost didn't record anything today. I was like, maybe I'll just do a podcast. But then I thought, a podcast about what? No offence, but sometimes YouTube podcasts just sound like corporate webinars. Flat, boring, full of buzzwords. And let's be honest, podcast life isn't as easy as it looks. So anyway, I was sitting there, totally blank. And then I remembered someone, a good friend of mine. His name's Daniel. He lives in Denver, Colorado. Last year, during a rough wave of layoffs in the event planning industry, he suddenly lost his job. No warning, just gone. And it hit him hard. I remember him saying, "I feel lost. Every job wants tech skills now. I don't belong anywhere." He was down, depressed, honestly. Just surviving day to day. No goals, no confidence. That's when I said, "Hey, let me show you something. It's called Scrum." He gave me that look like, Scrum? Sounds like coding. And I told him, nope, no coding, just a simple framework to help teams work better. And it's used in all kinds of jobs now, not just tech. I told him about the role of the Scrum Master, how it's all about people, support, clarity, not managing or giving orders. And he said, "Okay, I'll try." So we started working together, every day. We reviewed the Scrum principles, practiced with exam questions, used some great free websites I knew. I explained the daily Scrum, the sprint reviews, the retrospectives, all the stuff that matters on the exam and in real life. Slowly, it clicked. And 2 weeks later, he passed the Scrum Master Certification. First try. Zero tech background. Just focus and good guidance. That's when I knew I had to share this with others. So I created a simple PDF. It's free. No sign up, no tricks. It's got everything Daniel and I used. The basics of Scrum, the best websites to train for the certification, and tips to stay motivated. You can find the link in the description. It's a solid start if you're just getting into Agile or planning to take the exam. And hey, if you have any questions about Scrum or ideas for my next video, drop them in the comments. I read everything. Seriously. I often answer in the next video, or maybe the one after that. Tomorrow, I'll walk you through what Scrum actually looks like. Not theory, the real framework.